Let us solve one problem on stack data structure. This question came in the previous GATE exams. Look at the problem please. Which of the following permutations can be obtained in the output in the same order using a stack, assuming that the input is the sequence 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the order. So that means inputs are obtained in this way. That means they can be pushed on the top of the stack. So we know that stack is a data structure where last in first out or first in last out data structure. So that's why the items can be pushed on the top of the stack in this order, and you know that the topmost element can only be popped. So while popping, this output sequences are getting produced. So which output sequence will be in correspondence to this input sequence? So let us try for each and every option to show you, because this is a type of problem used to come in our exams. See, let us suppose the first A, B, C, D, all the options I have written here separately. Now see, I want to get 3 as output. So I should push 1, I should push 2, then 3, then pop. So 3 can be obtained as output. Then I require 4 as output. So 3 has been obtained, 4. So I should push 4, then 4 will be popped. Then 4 will be coming as output. I require 5. So 5 will be pushed and it will be popped. So I pushed in that same order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I got that 3, then 4, then 5. Then I required 1. Then I required 1. 1 cannot be obtained because only the popping can be done from the top of the stack. So if I pop, then I shall get 2. So this is not a correct option because 1 cannot be obtained in this sequence. Now let me go for the next one. So here they are asking for the 3. So 1 will be pushed, 2, then 3. So 1, 2, 3. I pushed them in that order. Then I require 3. So pop. I require 4. 4 will be pushed, pop. So I got 4 also. Now I require 5. So 5 will be pushed and 5 will be popped. Then I require 2. Already 2 is on the top of the stack because the previous 3 has got popped off. So 2 can be popped and 1 can be popped. So this is the right option. Obviously I should put a tick on B, but let us try with the others please. So now we are going for this. I require 1. So 1 will be pushed, 1 will be popped. So 1 has been obtained. I require 5. So now 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 has been popped. I require 2. 2 cannot be obtained because 4 is at the top of the stack. How can it be? And from judging, just looking at the sequence also, we can say that it is not possible. So it is wrong answer. So now I require 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After 5 pushing, 5 can be popped, right? 4 can be popped, right? 3 can be popped, right? 1 cannot be popped because 2 is at the top of the stack. So 1 cannot be popped. So it is a wrong answer. So this is the option which I should put tick. That is option number B. So in this way, these sort of problems can easily be solved. In any competitive exams, in your semester exams, whatever, when such problems will come, just try to do the tracing and get the answers. And from the eye estimation, some of the options you can easily discard at the beginning, need not to go for the detailing for them. Thanks for watching this video.